Tony is the best pizza delivery man in the city. He has been offered jobs by the best pizza places. So there are 4 different pizza places. Okay, one is in a word problem, one is in a table, one is in an equation, and one is in a graph. Everything we've done so far. Okay, so which company pays the best per shift? Bubba Pizza is offering $56 per shift. So B is $56 a shift. Okay, so they're asking basically what's the minus it. Lil Squeezer shows da 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 da. Okay, so they're asking for if you don't deliver any pizzas, okay, how much are you gonna get paid? So that's what this means. So offering $56 per shift, and then for every pizza is 250 cents. So Lil Squeezy, all right, if you don't deliver any pizzas, you get a salary of 48. So let's say L is a salary of 48. All right, then P has given Tony's pay options of the following function. Here is the function. If you don't deliver any pizzas, so that means P is 0, that goes away. So your y-intercept is what, 52? So this one is 52. And then Papa, I guess we'll say this PT and this is PR. Okay. At 0, you deliver no pizza delivery, 0 pizzas. How much do you get paid? So this is somewhere just below 64. And since it's going up by 16, about 58 maybe. Okay, so this one's about 58. This is a listening check. Color in PR equals 58, $8. Which company pays the best per shift? So which one is the most money, basically? And which one do you see? PR. So Papa Ron's. Okay, and usually because, mine is a sketch, that's why you have to estimate it. Usually there'll be boxes so that you will see it clearly. Which pizza pays the most per pizza? So we're only looking at, for one pizza, if I deliver one pizza, every pizza I deliver, how much am I getting? So we're talking about slope. BL, PT, and PR. So just for the slope in commission per pizza, so this is $2.50. This one, how is it changing every time? I have to actually calculate it. So change in Y over change in X. So my pizzas goes on the X-axis, and my salary, this is X, and my salary is on the Y. So time and the number of things is always on the X-axis. So how do I go from 48 to 54? So if you just do 54 minus 48, you're going to get 6, and then it's increasing, so positive 6. From 0 to 2 is going to be 2, positive 2. So that's going to be positive 6 over positive 2. Positive divided by positive is positive. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that one is $3. So Lil Squeezy's is $3. As given 20, So remember to find the slope from an equation. It's just the number next to the variable, right? So that's going to be that. So that one is 2.75. And then here, you have to find the slope from a graph. So let's do this number here and that number there. Okay, so change in Y from here to here. I go up how many? From 64 to 72. So 72 minus 64 is me going up 8. And then I'm going to go right. How many? So from here to here. So it goes 2, 4, 6. So I'm going to go 2, 4. So that goes up 8, and this one is going up 2, 4. So plus 4. So change in Y over change in X is going to be plus 8 over plus 4, which simplifies to positive divided by positive is positive, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this guy is $2. Which company pays the most? So which one pays the most? It's going to be this one. Lil Squeezers pays $3. This is a listening check. Color in L equals $3. If Tony is going to deliver at least 20 pizzas every night, which company should he work for? So at least means 20 and above. Okay, so P is going to be equal to 20. And we just need to find out how much money Tony would get for each person if he did 20 pizzas. So again, this is B, this is L, this is PT, and this is P. When P is equal to 20. All right, so he gets 56 per shift and 250 each additional time. So how many pizzas does he have? He has 20 pizzas, right? So 20, and for those 20 pizzas, he gets $2.50. Okay, so $2.50 times 20 plus the 56. That's what we're looking for when P is 20, right? So he gets 56 bucks plus that. So he gets Y equals $2.50 for the 20 pizzas plus the 56. Okay. All right, so 2.5 times 20 would be 50. Okay, because let me do that one slower. 2.5 times 10 would be, you move the decimal, would be $25. And since it's only 10 and I want double that, that's why it gets 50. 50 plus 56 is going to be 106. So for Bambino's pizza, it's going to be 106 bucks. For Little Squeezy's, okay, if I found my slope and my y-intercept, okay, so I guess that's the easiest thing, is just write it as a function and then plug it in. So I know for Little Squeezy's, I have y equals m, which is 3, times the number of pizzas, which is 20, okay? And then where did I start from? At 0, I was at 48. All right, so 3 times 20 is 60, plus 48 is 108. So this is going to be 108. So easiest to write a function. And when I say a function, I mean y equals mx plus b. Okay, so m is the slope, b is where you start. So the slope is slope equals 3, because I found that before. 20 is the number of pizzas, and then plus 48 is where I start from. And remember, where you start from is already written out for you. Okay, here I'm plugging in 20. Okay, so 2.75 times 20 plus 52. So y equals 2.75 times 20 plus 52. All right, so times 10 is 27.5. We'll multiply that by 2. So 27 times 2. 27 times 2. 20. Why is my brain frozen? All right, 27 times 2. 54 plus the 50 cents times 2 is $1, so that's 55. All right, so 55 plus 52 is going to be 107. This is a listening check. Put a box around y equals 107. Okay, if you can't follow that, hopefully you have a calculator. All right, so then this one, let me write my equation. This one is y equals mx, so m is 2. X is the number of pizzas, which we are looking for is 20. Plus, where did I start from? Where did I start? I started from 58. 2 times 20 is 40 plus 58. Y is equals to 98. So the question is, if Tony is going to deliver 20 pizzas, which company should he work for? He should work for Little Squeezy's, because he's going to get the most money from that. Okay, that's pretty much it. So they just ask you to compare.